How to create a QR code on iPhone and Android. If any day you are an iPhone user or an Android user and you would like to create a QR code on your iPhone or your Android but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device, now you have to go to the search icon on your very Google Chrome there. After you go to the search icon on your very Google Chrome, now you have to search the very option of the QR code generator. You have to tap on QR code generator there on the very search icon. After you tap on the QR code generator, now you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until the next interface appears. So after you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the option like this, that is the QR code generator, and then tap on that. After you tap on the option of the QR code generator here, now you can see the very option like this. Now you can also tap on the option of the accept all cookies, or you can also go to just some cookies here. Now here you can enter your website or the text here. For example, I would like to create a QR code for Facebook. So after I tap on Facebook here and then go to the option of the generate QR code, now you can see that this way the QR code will be generated. We can also tap on the frame like this. We can choose any of the frame we like. We can also choose the shape and the color, and we can also shine up here for the free version here. And this way we can also keep on the shape in color like this, any of the shape in color that we want. For example, red color that I like, and the logo as well, we can keep it. For example, any of the logo like this, you can go in the option of the scan me. So this way you can generate a very nice QR code on your very mobile device, that may be your iPhone or your Android as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.